Losing over 80 pounds wasn't the hardest part. And I think that's what a lot of us miss. Because when we look at transformation, we look at the obvious things: weight loss, diet, workouts, supplements. That's where a lot of us start. And that stuff matters. But looking back now, I don't think that's where it actually begins. Before any of that works, something else has to shift first. That's ownership. If you've been trying to do all the right things and you still feel off, still feel stuck, this might be the missing piece. Because I spent years repeating that cycle. I treated health like something outside of me, something to react to, something to fix, something to outsource. Try this, take that, follow this plan, then hope it works. And I think a lot of us get stuck here, always reaching outward, looking for the next shortcut. The problem with shortcuts is they keep us looking outward. But nothing changed for me until I turned inward. I started paying attention, really paying attention, tracking what I ate, every calorie, every weigh-in, watching the patterns, facing the truth, whether I liked it or not. This is the part that changed everything. The numbers weren't there to judge me. They were there to teach me, to hold me accountable, to create honest data. Honest data builds awareness. Awareness gives you the choice. And sometimes it starts with something simple. Writing it down, looking at the numbers, telling yourself the truth. That's the part we usually don't see. We only see the result, but the result wasn't the shift. It was the evidence. Ownership was the shift. And without it, it's easy to stay stuck in the cycle. Not because you don't care, but because nothing underneath has really changed. Trying, stopping, starting over, waiting until something forces your attention. A bad lab result, a scare, a number you can't ignore. But it doesn't have to get that far. Your body is always giving you feedback. Energy, sleep, digestion, recovery, mood, weight. I think a lot of us were never taught to listen. Maybe that's what health really is. Not chasing the next solution, just learning to pay attention, building a foundation, protecting it, maintaining it, owning it. If you want to see what I'm using, my current health arsenal is down below. Take what helps and build your own arsenal.